Genius ERP is a manufacturing specific ERP. We're really built for high mix, low volume manufacturing, those, highly customized products. It could be anything from a conveyor system to a trailer to advanced robotics. Our software really fits best for the deeper, more multi-level bill of material type manufacturing. So because we're focused on, truly custom complex manufacturing, we have our own CAD-to-BOM feature. A lot of other ERP software rely on third-party connections. We have our own product configurator as well that's really built for that more configure to order, option-based manufacturing.
Yep.
We have a scheduling built on the theory of constraints. So it's really about finding the bottleneck in your shop, applying a buffer to that bottleneck, and really making your shop running a nice cadence for your manufacturing so that you can rely on a predictable throughput. So the future manufacturing to me and a Genius is, taking away the buzzword of AI and really starting to use it intentionally. But not only that, the things that people already call AI that already exist in our ERP, that's really about predictive understanding of what's possible in their shop. That's really what we're focused on. So utilizing some tools they're true AI predictors, but also just the reliability of having data in one place, easy to get your hands on, easy to, access and use in all departments in your building.